This video will walk you through institution data. When logged in and within your institution settings, go to Data, Learner Data. You will see exports at the top that have been previously created. If you scroll down, here is where you can create the exports. The following student data can be accessed: enrollment date, completion date, active time, student progress, course completion rates, number of comments, number of kudos, enrollment fee. Each data set can be filtered by course, class, student name, earliest enrollment, and latest enrollment. For example, if I click on all courses, all classes, and sort by earliest enrollment to take a look at student progress, I can scroll across and I can see class, enrollment date, completion date, time spent on the course, progress, percent of course completed, comments, kudos, enrollment cost. I can click on export and then download my report. Next is data action log. Here is where you can view the log of all actions that have been performed within your institution. For example, if I wanted to see my actions, I can add myself and add a time range. I can add myself here as the actor, and I can add a time range of last 30 days. Click filter. I will see 12 actions here by me. What I can see is the local time, date, the action summary, the actor who performed it, which was myself. When it says Open Learning System, this means that it's an Open Learning staff member that has performed the action within your institution. The action type and the action. There is help documentation available for institution data and action log via our help.openlearning.com. Thank you. And if you have any questions or if you need support, please don't hesitate to contact us via live chat, phone, or email.